I found my gimbal. In a world that often feels chaotic, the honesty of one traffic cop in Jaipur reminded me of why I love this country so deeply. The people here, they carry centuries of honor in their eyes, and their smiles, they speak of chivalry, not just history.
Oh my God.
Thank you so much. I was having an anxiety attack.
No, I can understand.
Yeah.
But I kept myself calm. I totally believe in Bhoomya Ji. What is this shrine? Tomorrow you have to come over there. You have to buy a bottle of liquor as an offering to the shrine. And I'm glad it's not about that. But I was having that feeling that you will get it somehow. Though it was impossible thing.
It is impossible. Like I left it in traffic.
I told you, calm down. I have a feeling it will
Exactly.
for some reason.
And I'm telling you, it was just like kind of some time management again. If you would not have called me at that time, I would not have taken the U-turn, and that cop was about to leave. She said that her duty was over.
Oh, it was a woman.
Yeah.
You see women power.
Yeah. I told that lady that tomorrow
Let's
morning
meet
we're
her
coming,
tomorrow.
meeting her,
Yeah.
and then
100%.
covering her,
100%.
saying a big thanks and make it viral that yes, there are some people like this.
Of
Why
course.
not?
And that's the beauty of Jaipur. I can feel that. Now it's 6:20 a.m. So now we're just packing up to check out of the hotel and then towards the next leg of the journey. But before that, we're gonna stop by at some temples and beautiful places in Jaipur itself. So yeah, just woken up and I'm rushing through things. See you soon. Wow, this is like a nice room.
You can come inside.
Yeah. You're ready to go?
No, but yes.
You look good. Come, let's go. Everyone's waiting.
Everyone's who?
Lord Ganesha is waiting. Because.
Ganesha can wait, but if it's Krishna, I'm running now.
Alright, fine. We'll see if there's a Krishna temple.
Govind Ji?
Possible.
Thank you so much.
Everything was good.
Have a nice day. Good day.
You too.
Bye. Bye. Take care.
Thank you.
Bye. Thank you so much.
See you. So see you, Emma.
See you. Bye. Bye.
Okay, see you all.
Thank you. Bye. Thank you so much, guys. Bye. Thank you.
भाई कुछ नहीं है बाबा जाओ यार जाओ
My flowers.
Thank you.
Yes, madam.
Ari, why are you behind her?
Because I'm white. We are going to Govind Dev Ji Temple.
This temple dedicated to Lord Krishna isn't just a place of worship. It's alive with music, faith, and centuries of devotion that bind the city together. And don't just visit Rajasthan, it visits something within you.
Loka samasta कृपा नहीं तो क्या है।
Very nice. Say thank you. क्या नाम है आपका?
नम्या अपने फोन से खींच।
Namya. So I'll give you a link so people can follow you, okay?
थैंक यू।
Thank you. So this place, wow. It's loud, it's chaotic, and it smells like heaven, and it's alive. Most of the flowers you see in the big Indian weddings, especially in Jaipur, they come right from here.
He is the king of this market. If I say the king of this market,
Wow.
king of flower market.
So after getting my gimbal back, I knew I had to say thank you properly. So we went to this lesser known but super powerful spot, Bhoomya Ji Temple. It's not your usual temple. Here people actually offer liquor to the deity. Bottles of rum, whiskey, even beer. Not for drinking, but as a sacred offering. Bhoomya Ji is considered a guardian spirit, a kind of protector of the land and people. And in Rajasthan, these folk deities have deep roots in the culture. You don't always read about them in guidebooks, but locals really believe in their power. So I offered a bottle with all my heart, just a gesture of gratitude for protecting me and for the kindness of that cop, for reminding me that when you travel with trust, the universe does show up for you. You know, I've traveled a lot, seen so many sides of India, the beautiful, the wild, and the chaotic. But what happened that day stayed with me. A traffic cop in Jaipur, a woman, found my gimbal and made sure it came back to me. In a world where it's easy to lose faith, she reminded me of something important, that there are real people in this system who care. So this one's for her, for the women out there showing up every day, and for the honest hearts that make this country shine in the most unexpected ways. Thank you, Saroj. Detox drink, huh? Na zdarovya.
На здоровье.
Each step here feels sacred. Every face you meet, a story. This isn't just travel, it's a remembrance of who we are and the India we are still discovering. The true beauty of India is in its people, and in Rajasthan that echoes louder in the way they speak, walk, and live, with grace, valor, and a deep-rooted sense of dharma.